In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Planner board. To get started, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to your Microsoft 365 account. Once you are in Planner, go to the My Day area. This view is useful because it gives you a quick starting point and helps you confirm you are in the right place before creating anything new. Next, look to the left side navigation and select My Plans. This takes you to the section where your existing plans live, and it is also where you can create a brand new board. On the My Plans page, click New Plan. A setup window will appear where you can choose the type of plan you want to create. From the available options, choose Basic. A basic plan gives you a clean board layout with buckets, which are the columns you use to organize work. After selecting Basic, click into the highlighted field and type the name for your new plan. Choose a name that is easy to recognize later, especially if you expect to manage more than one board. Once your plan is created, you will land on the board view. This is the main workspace where tasks will eventually be added and tracked. Before adding tasks, it helps to set up your structure first by creating buckets. Buckets are commonly used for stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or for categories like Design, Content, and Review. The key is to keep the bucket names short and clear so your board stays easy to scan. To add your first bucket, click Add a new bucket on the board. Then type your bucket name into the highlighted area and confirm it. After that, click Add a new bucket again to create another column, and type the next bucket name in the highlighted field. As you build out buckets, try to keep the order logical from left to right, since that is the natural direction most people follow when reviewing progress. At this point, your Microsoft Planner board is created and your bucket layout is in place, ready for tasks whenever you are. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.